We're gonna get blasted pouring down rain. It's gonna be so fun walking in the rain. I'm excited.
Do micro SD cards melt when they're struck by lightning? Somebody's smoking a left-handed cigarette.
They're left-handed.
Huh?
They're left-handed.
Marijuana.
That's called a left-handed cigarette?
Yes. Well, it's called many things.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, look, sea turtles.
Where?
Isn't that a sea turtle?
It's a sea turtle nest.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ranger.
No, I want to be. I want to be.
Are you a sea turtle, Ranger? It's just like the Truman Show. It's like they turned it on right in that spot. What does he do when the rain hovers right over him? Let's see it.
Isn't he like, oh! Doesn't he do something like that?
How's that go again?
Like it's pouring down rain on him, and then he like goes, ah!
Crazy. She has a swimsuit and she's going out there in her dress. There's a drop off. A bad day at the beach is better than a good day anywhere else, right?